What is up, guys? Tool here. Did you get a new toy today? I got a new toy today. The Mavic Air 2S. It arrived, we got it all charged, but when I charged the DJI FPV, I had to wait the whole day to be able to actually fly because everything needed to get charged. It took forever. You had to activate it. I had to get the DJI Care refresh. But this one, I was ready to go by 7 p.m. after picking it up, so I was super excited. I was like, I'm gonna go downtown. We wound up flying a little bit in the neighborhood. It was getting a little bit misty, so we're like, let's go fly downtown. Downtown San Antonio was gorgeous. The Alamo, the Torch of Friendship, really, really cool. Federal Building. We flew around some pretty cool landmarks. Let's dive into the footage. So this is the Torch of Friendship in downtown San Antonio. My big concern is, I want to know, can I fly, super smooth, sideways? Here we are at the Federal Building. I love how this shot turned out. The lights on the building and the columns and everything, it looks really good. We met the security guard. He came out and chatted with us. He was super nice. This is an interesting shot. So the security guards at the Alamo, all of this road you see in front of the Alamo is private property. It's part of this, this setup for the Alamo. So we were able to fly across the street, but because this is a 5.6K shot, and I'm editing this down for 4K, here you can see this is what it looks like when it drops down to the 5.6K. So that was kind of zoomed out. But once you crop in, it looked really, really good. Here's our security guard friend coming to check on us. But I love the vibrancy of the colors. I made sure not to, I didn't edit any of this. I kept it, completely free of any kind of, I just wanted you guys to see just default right out of the box what this looked like flying at night. How noisy all the shots got. I'm sure as I get better with the drone, we'll be able to, really crank up some of the vibrancy and get some of these, more cinematic shots. But I'm really happy with this. Maybe a little bit lens flary. No complaints for the first night shot. I'll run all this footage again so you guys can check it out without the commentary. Super curious if you're picking up an Air 2S or if your Mavic Air or Mavic DJI or whatever you're flying, if you're sticking with a mini, whatever you're using, whether or not the 2S appeals to you. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, do hit that like button, hit subscribe, ring that bell so you never miss a video, and we'll see you next time. The sensor is so big on this thing. I feel like that gimbal, the only the thing that scares me is that gimbal is just begging to crash into something. Look at that. That sensor is massive.